Today, I'll show you how to use RooCards to add your everyday store cards, loyalty cards, and cards with barcodes or QR codes directly to your iPhone home screen. Here on my home screen, I already have several RooCards widgets set up. If I tap a card, RooCards opens that card directly without searching through a long list. For example, this card opens its QR code immediately for scanning. These widgets make it much faster to access the cards you use most often. Next, I'll walk you through how to set up these home screen widgets step by step. First, install RooCards from the App Store. After opening the app, you'll see that I've already set up a few sample cards in advance for this demonstration. If you do not know how to add cards yet, you can watch my other tutorial. In this video, we'll focus only on home screen widgets. Go to your iPhone home screen, press and hold an empty area until the icons start to jiggle, then tap Edit and Add Widget. Search for RooCards and open the widget options. Select the small card widget, which displays 4 cards in a grid, and add it to your home screen. At first, it may show the default cards. That's okay, we'll customize it next. Return to RooCards and tap the gear icon to open settings. You'll see 2 widget categories, Card Widgets and Barcode/QR Code Widgets. Let's start with Card Widgets. Open the small card widget section and tap the plus button to create a new widget profile. Choose the 4 cards you want to display in this widget. I'll select 4 cards that are different from the default ones. After selecting the cards, you can adjust how each card image is cropped. This helps keep important logos and text visible inside the widget. Once everything looks good, tap Done to save the new card widget profile. Go back to the home screen, press and hold the card widget, and tap Edit Widget. Choose the profile you just created. The widget will refresh automatically and display your selected cards. Tap any card in the widget and RooCards will open directly to that card. This makes it much faster to access barcodes and QR codes when needed. Medium and large card widgets work the same way. You can choose whichever size fits your home screen best. Now let's look at the second widget type. Barcode QR code widgets can display a barcode or QR code directly on your home screen. Return to the home screen, enter edit mode again, tap Add Widget, search for RooCards, and choose a barcode/QR code widget. I'll use the medium size for this example. After adding it, the widget may show default content. We'll configure it using a widget profile. After adding it to the home screen, it may show the default content at first. That is fine. We can set it up using a widget profile. Now return to RooCards, open settings, and go to barcode/QR code widgets. Find the medium widget section and open the same profile you selected on the home screen. For this example, I'll create a profile called Home Harbor and select the matching Home Harbor card. You can also adjust the image crop so the logo, barcode, or QR code appears correctly inside the widget preview. When everything looks good, save the profile. Return to the home screen and the barcode widget will refresh automatically. It now displays the card you selected. This widget is perfect for cards you use frequently, such as coffee shop rewards cards, grocery store memberships, or gym passes. It gives you the fastest possible access right from the home screen. To summarize, use a card widget when you want quick access to several cards from your home screen. Use a barcode or QR code widget when you want one frequently, use them available immediately. Both widget types help you find and use your cards faster when checking out, entering a gym, or showing a membership card. You can search for RooCards on the App Store to download it and start creating your own home screen widgets. Thanks for watching, and you can also visit our website to learn more about RooCards.